Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic toy camera. It is a toy camera, so it is a camera model of a toy. So let's start. I'm going to model this in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render of a toy camera. So this is our model. This is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.